If you own and drive a car, you already know that a car is very complicated and comes with a lot of problems as time goes by. Thanks to creative car owners, they can always come up with some truly genius car hacks for their car problems. Some of them are little things that you don't even notice or know of before, but can make your life easier down the road. In this video, we will be looking into 4 car hacks that every driver should know. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Apply the mintie to licking fuel tanks. The mint-flavored, candy-like thing originated in the lands of Oceania, and when it came out, it became notorious for displacing a chewer's fillings, as it would become severely sticky upon chewing to cause the fillings to get detached. So how do you use this for your car? You use it to temporarily prevent your fuel tank from leaking. I don't know how you'd find out that your fuel tank is leaking, but once you do, you can place a chewed until it became sticky mintie at the leak site. It'll hold things in place for a while until you can see your mechanic. 2. Dent. Use your plunger. We often wake up to dents on our cars, wondering how they got there. Most of the time, we can't explain how they got there. All we know is that there is a dent, and we're not happy about it, especially if it wasn't on your beater. Worry not, because it may be possible to repair it without putting another dent in your wallet. Spray the area with fluids and retrieve the plunger from your home. Suction the dent out with the plunger. It's unlikely that all of the dents will come out, especially the more distorted ones, but it's worth a shot. 3. Razor to wipe. This one is pretty tricky and seems like it's not a hack as much as a hazard. True, the idea is to use the razor blade to clean the windshield for items that the wipers can't handle. I think this applies to rural places where gas stations and stores are several miles away. At that point, it would be a good idea to have this. You can easily remove the bird poop from the windshield that's been sitting there and solidifying. 4. Brush your headlamp. You probably admire the sunlight because it's all warm and cozy, especially if you suffered a terrible winter recently. But at the same time, you do get plenty of ultraviolet radiation and other kinds of radiation. Your body can ward off that through the biochemical reactions, but it's your car's headlamps that are left behind to suffer the abuse of radiation, the outside debris, and things that only they know. In other words, over time, the covering of your headlamp becomes severely foggy, and you become a hazard to others, and of course, to yourself. Take the toothpaste out of your medicine cabinet and spread it on a piece of cloth. Then rub that cloth on your headlamp. Rinse the headlamp with clean water and let it dry. It should be significantly better. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other car hacks that every driver should know, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.